The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern New Castle County in northern Delaware, western Salem County in southern New Jersey, until 7 p.m. At 6 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Glasgow, or near Newark, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Pennsville, Carneys Point, Ellesmere, New Castle, Penns Grove, Salem, Delaware City, Newport, St. George's, Mount Pleasant, Stanton, Glasgow, Bear, Delaware Memorial Bridge, Hancock's Bridge, Port Penn, Wilmington Manor, and Hope Creek. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 1 and 13. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 6. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following county: New Castle, Delaware, and Salem, New Jersey.